कंप्लीट कर आपका आवाज का सर हाँ बताइए इसको हम लोग पॉज करते हैं
Kind of overlooking all the cruise ships. Up in Malibu, the neighbors know you moving. Hitting switches, yeah, hit it like a drum roll. Unload, I ain't gotta spit it, make some music. Make way for the new kids. Class clown, but my let him in his old school. With them rejects, fuck them other circles. Girls, lunchtime, I ain't worried about the who's who. You can get it. Every day is Valentine's, I'm confessing. I ain't no Cupid, but you know I'm gon' shoot that love connection. I tell you my plans for today. In a few minutes, I'll lose it, won't get it back. Girls, my number just text when it's late. I don't waste time with the DM on Instagram, get yours. Oh my love, you know my weakness. Baby, you wanna know it's alright. Can't say you ever know when it goes in it. Let's make it overload. Tell me what you wanna. Tell me what you wanna. Tell me what you wanna. Tell me what you. Yeah, I leave you with shit to remember. You playing that C-born thing, you was government girl, so come roll with a winner. He ain't no Superman, come out the dark, he prevent you, we can't let you know that. All these like Luthers gon' try to attack me on media phone mess, no kryptonite. Girl, they envy us, they try to bury us, so I hit them back, you know I bring the ante up. Shoot it to your spot, put the ammo down, when my song stop playing, put your panties up. You like, better than Nicki Minaj, give you that hickey massage. You need that lens, so I give you that Zeppelin. I lick your kitty, you open my eyes, no exception. Oh my love, you know my weakness. Baby, you wanna know it's alright. Can't say you ever know when it goes in it. Let's make it overload. Tell me what you wanna. I said, tell me what you wanna. I said, tell me what you wanna. Tell me what you